Hello everyone. Is your car experiencing rough shifting, slipping gears, or getting stuck in limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0776, Pressure Control Solenoid B Performance or stuck off, this means your transmission isn't maintaining the correct hydraulic pressure, leading to severe shifting problems. Ignoring this can result in major transmission damage. But don't worry, I'll explain what P0776 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0776? The P0776 trouble code appears when Pressure Control Solenoid B is stuck or not performing correctly. This solenoid regulates hydraulic pressure inside the transmission, ensuring smooth gear changes. Symptoms of P0776 include harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping between gears, car stuck in limp mode, only second or third gear works, check engine light and transmission warning light on, poor acceleration and bad fuel economy. To diagnose P0776 you need to check these critical parts. Pressure Control Solenoid B, location, inside the transmission valve body which is located under the transmission fluid pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission control module or powertrain control module. Location, found in the engine bay, near the firewall, under the dashboard, or sometimes attached to the transmission case. Function, sends signals to control solenoids and adjust transmission pressure. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission case, usually near the valve body. Function, monitors hydraulic pressure to ensure proper shifting. Input and output speed sensors. Location, attached to the transmission housing, near the input and output shafts. Function, helps the PCM determine the correct shifting strategy. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM-TCM. Function, transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failures. Common causes of P0776, faulty pressure control solenoid B, stuck open or closed, low or contaminated transmission fluid, wiring or connector damage, malfunctioning transmission control module, defective transmission fluid pressure sensor, internal transmission problems, clogged fluid passages or worn components. How to fix P0776. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid, ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect pressure control solenoid B, use a multimeter to check its resistance. Step 3. Test the transmission fluid pressure sensor, verify readings match manufacturer's specs. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for broken, corroded or loose connections. Step 5. Check input and output speed sensors. Ensure they provide accurate data to the PCM. Step 6. Test fuses and relays. Replace any damaged ones that control the transmission system. Step 7. Scan for PCM-TCM errors. Update or reprogram if needed. Step 8. Clear the code and test drive. A failing pressure control solenoid B can lead to serious transmission issues, so diagnosing P0776 early can prevent costly repairs. Always check your solenoids, wiring, and sensors to keep your car running smoothly. Watch these related videos next. P0418, Secondary Air Injection System. Relay A Circuit Malfunction. P0419, Secondary Air Injection System Relay B Circuit Malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.